get 18. I bought this for him. It's really helpful. Amazon Find I'm loving right now. This magnetic light is so cool. It's rechargeable and you can stick it wherever you want. There's 3 light settings and when you're not using it, you just plug it in to charge.
Random Amazon finds it just slap. This gadget lets you plug in any light that you can turn on with this switch from over 600 feet away, and you can stick the switch to any wall or even the fridge. And the best part is, the remote comes off so you can take it with you wherever you go.
Want to focus on drinking while you cook? This battery-operated device auto-stirs your food, has 3 speeds, and is dishwasher safe. Things you didn't know you need from Amazon, Part 4. Are you tired of having a shallow bath? This tub overflow drain cover is a must-have. It allows you to fill the tub up 4 more inches, and yes, it makes all the difference. It has 12 suction cups that create a tight, long-lasting seal, and the hole at the top prevents overflow while making it easy to drain the tub. It is also dishwasher safe.
3 random Amazon finds it just slap. This suction cup can hold your razor in the shower, pen on the fridge, toothbrush on the mirror, and can even secure your charging cable in the bedroom. This nail trimmer of the future automatically trims nails neatly and smoothly and stores the debris in one spot for easy cleanup. And this magnetic organizer keeps pins, office supplies, and safety pins safe and secure in one place.
Wow, you can really dance. Wow, you can really dance. He went. They said we've both...
Amazon products you might need, Part 4. If you're like me and you're tired of always dropping things down the gap next to your car seat, then you'll love this product. All you have to do to set it up is slide it over the belt buckle and push it into the gap. Now it will prevent anything you drop from falling down the gap and getting lost under your seat. It looks good and gets the job done perfectly.
The first is this digital clock with USB ports on the side. And the second item is this portable humidifier. You can adjust...
But you're so sweet. I always find a way to say the wrong things. I wish that we were laying in the same sheets. But lately you've been acting like you baby, call me.
Ready for takeoff.
Let's go!
So what's this? It closes your door when your parents leave it open. OMG, thank you.
Finally! I've been trying to catch you boys all day! Now that I've got you right where I want you, I'd like to buy all your chocolate.
This is your guys' doorknob. Peep mines. It has passcode, key, NFC, through the app, and fingerprint. Let's go.